Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use ChatGPT to write a cover letter. So let's go to ChatGPT first. In ChatGPT, you have to write here the comment, like you have to put here in which designation you want to write the cover letter. Let's say HR designation. Now I have to write here comment, write a cover letter for your designation name, any designation you want. I'm writing here HR designation. Hit enter. You can see it is writing the cover letter for you in HR designation. So this is how you can write a cover letter in this any designation. You can just change the designation here and just comment write a cover letter for then the designation. And if you want to make it short, it's like too big, you can write here in short. Now it will write the cover letter in short format. So this is how you can write a cover letter in any designation you want. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.